Hey, I'm Chris.
And I'm Lindsay.
And this is Ballroom Feed. Today we're doing the Cradle step in Foxy.
Let's get started.
This is the leader's footwork for the Cradle step. So the Cradle step is a different timing. It's 6 steps in total, not 4. So I go forward to my left foot first. Instead of taking a second step forward like we do in the basic, I go a step to the side and I sway right away. And then I go backwards on my right foot and I sway to my left side. 6 steps in total. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All straight timing. Forward, left, sway, sway, back, sway, sway.
Okay, so this is the follower's footwork for your Cradle step. This is going to be in a slightly different timing, which we'll talk about later. You're going to start with your right foot as we do. We step 1 step back, then a side step, sway, sway, and then 1 step forward on our left, side step, sway, sway. So again, right foot back, left foot out, sway, sway, left foot forward, side step, sway, sway with the timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Cradle step, demonstrate what counts. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the key points for the Cradle step. It's a stationary pattern and it has a small timing change. So it's 6 steps in total instead of 4 steps. So when we do this together, if I just hold our hands for practice, my 1 step travels and then I go sway, sway, and then I go backwards and then sway, sway again. How I'm leading this pattern is that I take my first step and I move my body and my frame to the right side. And hopefully if this is consistent, it should bring her with me. I replaced my left foot, and because my hand catches on her back, when I go backwards, I bring her forward, sway, sway. So we can also rotate the cradle. So instead of just doing it flat, it's basically the same multiple times. On my first step forward, I can curve it about 1/8 or 1/4 of a turn, sway, sway. And then my step backwards, I can also kind of curve it and go sway, sway. So my first step forward again, I'm going to curve, and then curve again. And that makes about a 1/2 a turn if I do 2/4, and I can make the cradle a little more interesting.
Thank you so much for watching the Cradle. Again, I'm Lindsay.
I'm Chris.
And this is Ballroom Feed. See you next time.